Before we get started, I have a sticker shout out. It's from Sterling Davis over at Sterling's Woodcrafts. And Sterling and I are pretty good pals, and we finally swapped stickers. It's been a couple of years. Anyway, I'll leave a link to Sterling's channel, which is very cool, down below. Due to popular demand, I've decided to put an additional video out on the Triplet Fatbike. We ran into some problems on the initial shakedown cruise, and let's take a look and talk about those. The rubber rollers I used on the chain tensioners just completely shredded within about one block of riding. We tried to switch to some derailleur rollers, but the teeth just aren't tall enough, so the chain keeps falling off those. So I found these nylon rollers that we're going to try, but the hole in the middle is 5/16, and the slot in the tensioner bracket is only 1/4 inch wide, so I'm going to have to make some bushings, and I've just got some shims. We'll just drill that out and force it in. Okay, so here's my bushing, and it fits my 1/4 inch bolt. Now we just need to cut off part of it and press it on in. Now to achieve this pressing, there are a lot of ways you could do it, but I like to use tools that are pretty common. Okay, that first try didn't work, so what I did was I put the bushing on a bolt passing through my driving spacer, and that should keep it aligned a little better. And it's in, but I'm going to have to ream it again. Not a big deal. And it's a nice tight fit. We'll put a washer in there, and then a nylon spacer, and another washer, and then we'll go ahead and put that on the bike and see how that works. That looks and feels so much better. Let's take it for another test ride. Working good. Well, there it is, and I know a lot of you would like to see it with 3 riders on it, except it's not my bike, and I don't have 2 stokers to help me test it out. Once I deliver it to the client, I know I'll get some footage of him riding it with a couple of stokers on it, though. So you can look forward to that at some point, but I don't know when that's going to be because the client is on vacation someplace, and I don't know when he's going to return. So that's all for this time. Thanks for stopping in. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click up here to see my last video. Click over here to see something of mine that YouTube thinks you'll like. And have a good one.